Hey guys, Paul here. Welcome back to the channel. So ever since I started to drive Tesla Model 3 or Model Y, I have been looking for a really good phone mount, especially the phone mount that can mount in front of the steering wheel. And a lot of viewers also ask for a good mount because sometimes you can use the apps on your phone, like map apps, while you drive a car, in case the map in the car is not quite working really well, especially when you do a road trip with different location or the new location that been before, or even instrument cluster display app on your phone like TestLogic or 60 app. So the traditional mount you usually have to install on the steering wheel column like this one, which require the double-sided tape adhesive to stick on the steering wheel column like this. So when you drive a car for a while or park the car in the sun for a while, this adhesive might give out and it will fall out eventually. It's great, but not quite the best solution just yet. Until now, I finally found a really good phone mount that doesn't require any adhesive at all. The installation is super easy to install. You basically just insert into the space between the air vent right in front of the steering wheel, and you can adjust it however you like. This is the new phone mount MagSafe compatible from Spigen. So last time I reviewed a few new Spigen products, and this one really stand out to me. That's why I want to do a full review on this one again. This one is really affordable and super easy to install and really sturdy too. So in today's video, I'll share with you what comes in the package and quick installation guide, and we'll test it out and see how it works in the Model Y Juniper. Now let's go. So here what comes in the package, really small and compact design box. Everything fits in here. So this is the MagSafe compatible mount itself, and the adjustable locking ring, and the mounting base, as you can see here. Really simple. Let me show you how to put the three pieces together. So first you just have to put in the locking ring, and then insert the MagSafe mount, click it in. Now you just have to adjust the ring and then tie it to the mount itself. There you go. So you can adjust this mount. So this part right here would face up and lock into the dashboard. So you can adjust the mount, loosening it, adjust to the lower position here, I'll show you later, and then also higher position, and you can adjust in different angles like this too. Alright, now let's try to install it on the dashboard. To install the mount, it's really simple. Make sure you aim where you want the mount to locate. So this is right in the front and in the middle of the steering wheel column. And now just pop the dashboard piece, this one right here, a little bit, and then just insert the mount inside, and that's pretty much how you install it. Really simple to install, super sturdy too. It doesn't move anywhere because of this rubber grip around the base, and you can adjust it. Just move the dashboard up a little, then you can adjust the position of the mount. Now that the mount is installed, you can just place your phone on the MagSafe attachment like so, and then adjust however angle you like here, and then just lock the ring in place in the back, and you're done. So as I mentioned before, you can do two different positions. This is a higher position, so it blocks less AC in front of you, so you can have a little more space on the bottom of the phone right here. Now let me try to adjust to lower position. Just loosening the locking ring in the back, and then now you can turn it down like this and then lock it in place. Now you have a lower position for the mount. Let me try to attach the phone right here. As you can see, It depends on how you like the mount to be lower or higher. As I mentioned before, lower, it will block the AC a little more. Higher, you have more AC space to come through in front of the driver. Also lower, you have to adjust the steering wheel to be lower. So if you want your steering wheel to be a little higher, then I highly suggest to do a higher position mount. Let me change it back. This one right here. And the magnet, it's really strong. The MagSafe magnet is super strong. So your phone is less likely to fall down from the mount. As you can see, it's attached really well. I have 15 Pro, not Max, regular Pro. So less weight than the Max, but I can test it with a heavier display. So this is a 60 dash that is a lot heavier, probably 2 times or 3 times heavier than my phone here. Let me try to attach to the mount. There you go. As you can see, the mount can still hold this display too. Wow, that is super strong. And the mount, it's basically a regular mount with no power through the MagSafe. It's just the magnets for the MagSafe. So if you want to charge your phone while you attach the mount, you can just run the USB-C cable like this. How I ran to the dashboard just underneath, because I did this one for the 60 dash display. So you can do similar way, and then you can charge your phone while it's on the mount. Like I'm charging right now. As you can see, the phone is charging and it's hitting, so you can't really see the phone charger while you charge your phone. So now you can use any navigation apps on your phone. So that's really good options to use in case the navigation in the car it's not quite accurate sometimes. So you can use any navigation, Waze, Google Maps, any maps apps, or you can use instrument cluster display app like the 60 app right here with the 60 commander. So you can use your phone as the instrument cluster display, and you can remove the mount anytime you want without any adhesive at all, or the Test Logic app like this one right here. But I don't have the transmitter installed at the moment. Let's change back to the 60 app, and then let me show you what it looks like while I drive the car and use the mount in Model Y Juniper. As you can see, it works really well. It looks like my phone is actually floating, not attaching to anything in front of the dashboard. And here's with the Google Map
Cliff Rose Lane
app on the phone. Love the simple design and simple installation of this mount. To uninstall the mount, really simple. I think I can do it with one hand. That's it. Now you can remove the mount and reattach anytime. As you can see in the video, the Spigen phone mount for Model Y Juniper works really well, super easy to install, and it's really strong MagSafe magnet in the back, and you can adjust lower position or higher position like this in front of the steering wheel. Really cool phone mount. This is probably one of the first that I have seen so far that doesn't require any installation, any adhesive in your car. Let me know in the comment down below what you think about this steering wheel phone mount from Spigen. I'll make sure to put the link in the description down below. And thank you so much guys for watching today's video. Make sure to click like if you like the video. Make sure to subscribe for more awesome contents like this. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.
Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good. Fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts. I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth. Can't put me down.